Well, good day, viewers. We're back to the tub and shower. As I had said yesterday, we got the walls done. And now we're going to move on to doing just the tub. Obviously, to do some cleanup and prep, I'll have to remove the overflow. I did buy a new Gerber drain, but I'm going to just rob its trim from that. Which is going to be in a brushed nickel. So I'm going to get started with prepping the area. Maybe I'll go over a little bit with you the actual work that has to be done, that you can sort of forecast what it took to do maybe the whole project. So we'll be back. Okay, so just in case you didn't catch it yesterday, it's McGuire's one-step compound. Again, you can see it's titled Marine and RV, but this is what's recommended for doing tubs, fiberglass tub and shower polishing. And what you do is you apply it on, this is a buffer. Wouldn't buy this again because it dies about 10 minutes into the project. You have to wait for it to cool down before you can use it again. So maybe buying on the cheap wasn't such a great idea. But so you apply it on like an X on here. And then what I do is before you even turn it on, I kind of squish around there and then I turn on the buffer. And then of course you do a small area or section by section as I recommend, because you do have to buff it until it's almost dry and then wipe it off and buff it out with a dry towel. I have 3 towels. This one gets the heavy residue off. That one is my next application of buffing. And then my final one's up there. Just because I found out having a clean rag at the very end is probably the best. So we'll be back. Well, we're back and the tub walls are done. The tub is done. And we did put the fixture trim on. By the way, I did end up buying a new trip lever waste for the tub and brushed nickel so everything kind of matched. So we're now on to what I believe is grouting the floor. Now I have to take out this door jamb here, and I want to just try and clean out a little bit more of that grout in the doorways because they're kind of rough, but it also has to be cleaned up quite a bit. So I'm going to stop this video and come back with the grouting video once I get that prepared. So I do want to thank you for watching. Hopefully this has been a great video for you. So this is using McGuire's boat and RV fiberglass polisher. So I think this did an excellent job for what I needed it for. Obviously there's still some defects, but, you know, that's after 20 years. So I think this thing looks pretty good after 20 years. What do you think? Catch you later. Thanks for watching.